look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
Viewers, after running away with India's trophy and medals, a rattled Pakistan is exposing itself once again. Watch how the captain of the Pakistani cricket team, Salman Agha, throws the check that was given to him in the post-match ceremony. Pakistan has lost the match, has lost face, and has also lost the plot, it seems. Let's now go across to my colleague Karishma joining us on the broadcast. More on this, Karishma. You know, this Asia Cup, in fact, the tournament has been full of stunts from the Pakistani side. How should we really look into this latest stunt by the Pakistani captain?
Well, yes, absolutely. The Pakistan cricket team hasn't taken this loss well at all. In fact, if we see the performance from the cricket team, we have beaten them thrice, and now Salman Ali Agha also, throwing away the cash prize, the check that was given to him. No respect shown whatsoever to anything that was done, as far as this particular tournament was concerned. They just couldn't take the fact that they lost to Pakistan not once, not twice, but thrice.
Well, absolutely. And this is quite strange what we are seeing, on screens. And it only shows, Karishma, that Pakistan clearly has lost the plot. And that was, in fact, the intention from the beginning itself, viewers. We'll try and reconnect with Karishma in just a bit. But this is the big news that we are breaking for you here on Times Now. Epic meltdown we are seeing on camera from the Pakistani side. And there you can see the Pakistani captain, the captain of Pakistani cricket team, Salman Agha, throwing the check that was given to him in the post-match ceremony. Now, this came after the Indian cricket team refused to accept trophy from the ACC chief, who's also a Pakistani minister. Let's go back to Karishma, who is live with us right now. Karishma, the question that many would ask really is that Pakistan has lost the match. I mean, by throwing the check, what is it that Pakistani cricket team is really trying to do? I mean, what are these tantrums really for?
Well, if their chairman, the PCB president, can run away with the trophy that the Indian team deserved, as per Surya Kumar Yadav, it was a well-earned trophy. Salman Ali Agha is quite capable of throwing away the check as well. The tantrums proving nothing. In fact, even in the post-match conference, Salman Ali Agha tried to intimidate the Indian journalists as well, saying things like, "Ki shuru kisne kiya tha, haath kisne nahi milaya tha," but he was given, apt answers as well. So, like I said earlier, the Pakistan team has not been able to take this loss well. Haris Rauf had made those gestures as well, and then Jasprit Bumrah also showing Haris Rauf his place when he took his wicket in the final match, and the Indian team really letting the bat do the talking and showing the quality of cricket that the Indian team is playing.
Well, absolutely. And this is, in a way, as many are calling, Karishma, an epic meltdown by the Pakistani cricket team, isn't it? Karishma? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Karishma, and also we will be getting you reactions from other experts from the world of cricket as well on this latest stunt by the Pakistani cricket team's captain. There you can see him throwing the check that he received for being the runner-up in this particular match, in which Pakistan was brutally defeated by the Indian cricket team, ably led by Surya Kumar Yadav. Now, even Pakistan viewers have seen the writing on the wall, from fans to ex-cricketers to panelists. All are praising Team India's stupendous performance, while Pakistani fans slammed Haris Rauf's jet provocation. Shoaib Akhtar, in fact, singed his team's senseless coaching. Shoaib Malik openly called Team India the #1 team. A panelist on Pakistani TV even hailed Tilak Verma for his stunning performance. Take a look at those clips one by one.
पूरा मैच आपने देखा होगा फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टिल द एंड वन साइडेड रहा है, लेकिन हमारे हारिस रऊफ माशाल्लाह उन्होंने बहुत बुरी बॉलिंग की है. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा था कि प्रोफेशनल बॉलर हैं वो, या उनके पास कोई प्रैक्टिस है, या उनके पास कोई वेरिएशन है, बिल्कुल भी सीधे सीधे बॉल्स कर रहे हैं, शॉर्ट बॉल्स दे रहे हैं। लेकिन खैर जो ज्यादा अच्छा खेलता है वही डिजर्व करता है विनिंग। इंडिया जीत गया, कांग्रेचुलेशन इंडिया को।
हारिस राव अगर थोड़ा अच्छा खेल जाता, छक्के ना खाता तो हम जीत जाते हैं। या हमारे बैट्समैन, नो बैट्समैन 10 ओवर में 40 रन ना बनाते। हारिस से कोई भी नहीं समझ रहा, हारिस बस हमारे जहाज ही संभाल रहे, पता नहीं।
And viewers, India has set the record straight. Pakistan will be brutally crushed whenever it comes after India, both on and off the field. In a stunning victory, India won by 5 wickets, chasing 147 runs against Pakistan. The Asia Cup 2025 was not less than Game of Thrones, politics, power plays, Pakistan's bruised ego, and in the end, the trophy denial. This edition was full of many firsts. For the first time, captain snubbed handshakes at the toss. And for the first time, the winning team celebrated without a trophy on the night of the final. All of this because India wants to show Pakistan its right place. And India's 6-point strike at Pakistan on the cricket field are hard to miss. From rejecting much-deserved trophy from the hands of PCB chief Mohsin Naqvi to Jasprit Bumrah's jet crash send-off to Pakistan's Haris Rauf, Indian cricket team just knew how to give it back to Pakistan. On your screens are the exact moments when India showed Pakistan its place yesterday in the match. Snub 1, India defeated Pakistan by 5 wickets. And then who can forget Bumrah's crashing jet action, the mimicry there also going viral today, something that people are talking about. Then the refusal of the Indian cricket team to take the trophy from the ACC chief because he was a Pakistani minister. And snub 4, India celebrated without a trophy because the world has seen who is the winner of the match, the final of this tournament that we saw yesterday evening. In fact, Surya Kumar Yadav also decided to give the match fee to the army. And then Surya Kumar Yadav also was laughing off frustrated Pakistani journalists. So all of this, in fact, viewers, happened. What a gesture there from the captain of the Indian cricket team. Now, viewers, the BCCI is calling Team India's victory a special one. It has released a video that captures scenes right through the final moments before Team India won the final against Pakistan. Meanwhile, back home, the politics over India's Asia Cup victory is continuing. The Congress party has made its stand clear. Congress's Supriya Srinath says no congratulatory message will be given by the Congress party. Supriya Srinath also says anyone who watched this match is anti-national. And then there are others like Atul Londe who are lecturing on the sportsman spirit. Listen.
Anybody who watched that match, anybody who's hailing that victory is anti-national. Anybody who's hailing that victory doesn't love this country. The reality is that Pakistan has been the perpetrator of terrorism that has killed 25 of our people in Pahalgam. Are daughters like Aishnya Dwivedi and Himani Narwal celebrating this victory? How dare BJP question any of us? They are anti-national. They let India play this match with Pakistan, which should have never been played. Anybody who watched that match is anti-national.
कभी कभी शक होता है कि प्रधानमंत्री को विदेश नीति कूटनीति समझती है नहीं समझती है। हर चीज को चुनाव से जोड़ना ये उनकी फितरत हो गई है। अगर हम खेल खेल रहे तो खेल भावना से खेल खेलना चाहिए। अगर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर शुरू है तो फिर खेल नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर चर्चा शुरू है, रिलेशंस नॉर्मलाइज करने की बात है, तो खेल जो है वो एक सबसे बड़ा हथियार है। हथियार नहीं कहूंगा, ठीक शब्द नहीं हथियार, लेकिन खेल एक माध्यम हो सकता है जिसके द्वारा हम हमारे संबंध जो है वो अच्छे कर सकते हैं। तो खेल भावना से खेलना चाहिए। हार जीत होती रहती है, लेकिन उसको हर बात से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से जोड़ देना ये ठीक नहीं है।
पानी में, हवा में, खेल में जहां मौका मिला वहां राजनीति खूब जम से करो और पोलराइजेशन करो। ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जो नीति है उसका एक प्रत्यय कल के उनके इस भूमिका से आया है। भारत कोई पहली बार एशिया कप जीता नहीं, हमको फख्र है उनके जीत का, मगर एक गरिमा हमारे देश की जो है उसका ध्यान वो नहीं रखते, उस पर मैं अफसोस जाहिर करता।
राहुल गांधी जी ने कई सवाल किए हैं, मसलन वोट चोर गद्दी छोर, 65,64,000 वोटरों के नाम काटे गए। राहुल गांधी जी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर करके सवाल खड़ा किया। इसके बाद बिहार में 70,000 करोड़ का गमन हुआ। इसके बाद बिहार में भ्रष्टाचार के मुद्दों पर कई सवाल राहुल गांधी जी ने दिया। बिहार में बेरोजगारी के जो आलम है उस पर सवाल किया। तो क्या बीजेपी के लोग इस सवाल के जवाब दिए हैं? सवाल के जवाब तो पहले हमारा ये सवाल के जवाब दें।
Let's now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Mohit, some strong words there coming in from the opposition, from Congress party specifically, making it stand clear. Grand old party will not be giving any congratulatory message because, according to them, those who even watch this match are in fact anti-national. What is the view of the BJP on these kind of comments?
Well, in fact, you see, people have watched that match, and every single person in the country is happy that India has defeated Pakistan, a terror nation. And post that, we saw that how India refused to take the trophy or the medals from Mohsin Naqvi, who is the ACC president and PCB president, but he is also the interior minister of Pakistan, and he was somewhat behind what has happened in Pahalgam, because we know that how the politics in Pakistan, with the army in Pakistan, they are always standing with the terrorists. So India clearly made a point that will not take the trophy from him, and the message has come out. But back home, we see that the politics is happening. What the BJP as of now says is that not a single social media post or a statement has come in from the top leadership of the Congress party, be it Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, congratulating India on their victory. Now, this has been the stand of the Congress party since the start of the Asia Cup. They have been saying that there is no need to play with Pakistan, given the fact that how Pakistan has always nurtured terrorism. They are behind the Pahalgam attack, and a message should be given by India that we will boycott Pakistan. But at that particular time also, we saw how the sports ministry or the government stated that if India wants to host the Commonwealth Games in 2030 or Olympics in 2036, then they cannot ignore the fact that they'll have to play in multinational tournaments, and it is because of the compulsion that they are playing the Asia Cup, not by choice. So if they have to play if they have to host the multinational games, then they have to play these multinational games too, and perhaps that is why India had to play it. But India since beginning maintained that we will not speak to the Pakistani players, we will not shake hands with them. And what we saw is that yesterday also, that India refused to take trophy from Mohsin Naqvi. But what we see is that massive politics back home being played, be it Sanjay Raut, be it Supriya Shrinet, who even calls people who have watched the match as anti-national. So the certificates are being given by the Congress party that who the anti-national is or the nationalist is. But the question over here is that these players were not representing any political party or any ideological affiliation. They were part of Team India. They have won. If you do not have to congratulate them, at least do not make such statements which demean their victory or demean what they have done on the field. So clearly, what we see is that
unfortunately, Mohit, when even the family members of the victims of Pahalgam terror attack are, thanking Team India for this particular victory, because, they have decimated Pakistan on the cricket field as well. Of course, both these things are extremely different, but then they have also ensured that, India defeats Pakistan, and there was a lot of effort that went into, the whole thing. Stay on with us. In fact, after Congress party, Samajwadi Party's Abu Azmi has drawn a terror parallel. Samajwadi Party leader Abu Azmi says playing cricket with Pakistan will only give more revenue to Pakistan to fund terrorism. Listen.
नहीं, हम टीम इंडिया को बधाई तो दे रहे हैं, लेकिन उसी के साथ हम ये भी कह रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान को जो भी इससे रेवेन्यू मिला है, पाकिस्तान के लोग कहते हैं मसूद अजहर के लोग जो लोग मारे गए हैं, उनमें हम खर्च करें, मतलब आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा देंगे। हमने एक चांस उनको दिया क्रिकेट खेलने का, उसमें उनको रेवेन्यू मिल रहा है, वो रेवेन्यू आतंकवाद पे खत्म होगा। भारतवर्ष के खिलाफ जो आतंकवाद होता है उस पर अगर वो इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो मतलब क्या इसका होता है। इसीलिए तो कह रहे हैं ना कि ये क्रिकेट उनके साथ नहीं खेलना चाहिए था।
Thank you very much, Mohit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on